Hello and welcome back. We have only 3 pieces to be connected, which are legs and tail. So I always leave tail at the end, and I will tell you the reason in this video. With this project, by placing legs behind, you allowed your bunny to be able to sit. And that's the main reason why we are attaching legs, not making them together with the body of the bunny. So again, you're making sure that the legs will connect to the bottom, but you want to make them kind of like 45 angle, so they're kind of spread like you normally sit. And once you connect the first one, make sure that with few stitches, double check if that's the way you want, and you can connect them one at a time, or start connecting 2 at the same time, switching between each leg. That's how it will look like. And also you want to be sure that the bunny will look nice when it's just laying down with legs going down. I will just connect this leg, but I will not cut my tail and I will not hide the yarn until I connect my second leg. And again, we're using every single stitch, making sure that there is no gaps. And again, I'm always testing if the bunny will be able to sit by itself. That's the main reason why we are attaching those legs the way we do. And also, this is the reason why I attach each piece in the order that I just showed you. If I attach my legs first, that will be tougher for me to find a balance for the bunny when I'm attaching ears and hands. Right now, the bunny is already constructed, and what I need to do is making sure only the balanced top will sit nicely on the bottom. Only legs needs to be balanced now. Everything else is in the right place. And of course, this is just a suggestion. Each piece can be connected to the other piece in any order you wish. I just find this way just works for me. I do not need to worry. I'm going back here, and I'm glad I have longer tail. I want to connect this leg a little bit more on this side. I really want this bunny to sit balanced without any problem. And let's double check the other leg and hide all the ends. And hiding ends, I'm not sure why, but for some reason I always go forward towards the front. So I just place in the middle, and I'm sorry again off camera, just like that. And my second tail, I will do the same way, just in the middle and up. Let's cut the yarn tails and check if our bunny can sit. Yes, it sits perfectly. One more thing I want to show you. If you have problem balancing, you can press here in the middle, the first 2 rows inside, and that will create a little like a suction cup. And that will help you to place your bunny in the sitting position. And this is the reason why the tail is being attached at the end. Sometimes tail placed too low will not balance the sitting bunny. I want to use the tail as a protection from bunny falling backwards. So if you want to see how I attach tail, watch this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.